Identify what each term means before interpreting the whole expression.
Welcome to the Provision Expression Cache. To navigate these woods, we need to read the landscape carefully. These mathematical expressions are a lot like a map of winter supplies. We will interpret expressions that represent a quantity in terms of its context. Reading the whole expression, not just hunting for isolated numbers, is the only way to reveal exactly what a total quantity represents. Let's look at a concert hall. They charge $18 per ticket and a $250 room fee. What quantity does 18T plus 250 represent? We can break this down. The variable part, 18T, gives the ticket revenue from T tickets. Then we have the constant term, 250. This adds the fixed room fee to our total. 18T plus 250 represents the total charge for the event. Next, a store models the sale price of X jackets with 45X minus 8X. What does the full expression represent? The first term, 45X, is our starting point. It is the regular total price of the jackets. The subtracted term, 8X, acts against that starting price. It is the total amount subtracted as a discount. So 45X minus 8X is the total sale price after discount. The expression represents the total sale price after the discount. Now imagine a garden with width W and length W plus 6. What quantity does W times W plus 6 represent? Think about the physical dimensions. If you multiply a width by a length, what physical quantity are you finding? The area of a rectangle is width times length. The width is W and the length is W plus 6. W times W plus 6 represents the garden's area. Finally, consider a battery that starts at 100% and decreases by 7 percentage points per hour in a linear model. What does 100 minus 7H represent? The value 100 is the starting battery level. The term 7H is the decrease in percentage points after H hours. We have to be precise when defining this. We are interpreting a specific set of conditions, so our conclusion needs to include those exact boundaries. In this linear model, 100 minus 7H is the battery percentage remaining after a decrease of 7 percentage points per hour for H hours. Here are the results of our path. 18T plus 250 represents the total charge for the event. The expression represents the total sale price after the discount. W times W plus 6 represents the garden's area. In this linear model, 100 minus 7H is the battery percentage remaining after a decrease of 7 percentage points per hour for H hours.
The expression 18T plus 250 is the total event charge.